Hello, today we're going to be checking out the ODIN-5 F3, a foldable 3D printer made by Fokoos. Let's get started. As you can see, the Fokoos Odin was packed very tightly. It took me a while to unpack it and unwrap everything. All the components arrived safely due to the neat packaging. In the box you'll find a 0.25 kilogram spool of white PLA+. You'll also find an accessory box packed with goodies. We find ourselves a user manual, a quick start guide, and a 12-month warranty card. Clippers that are made in the USA. Very strong. I really like the spring action on these clippers. These are my daily clippers in the office now. They've replaced all my clippers. A spatula. A power cord cable and a USB cable. Fokoos also provided a needle to clean your nozzle. A filament spool holder, a bag of wrenches and Allen wrenches. We also have a few assembly screws, a couple extra flat ribbon cables, and last but not least, a very nice micro SD card reader and SD card. This was definitely one of the fastest 3D printers that I have assembled. I did it under a minute and 20 seconds. Only 4 bolts and 2 ribbon strips. Very impressive. On the right we have a slot for the SD card, and the Odin is equipped with a direct drive. On the left is your voltage switch. On the back you'll find 2 silent stepper motors. This has a stable metal casing and is very solid, and inside is packed with a 32-bit motherboard. Let's check out some of the settings on here. Under Tools you'll find your homing button. Under Extrusion you can change the temperature and some of the other settings. There's a preheat mode so you can get everything nice and warm while you're downloading your print. This is your auto level feature. Point 1 is going to be the bottom left of your glass bed. Point 2 is the bottom right of your glass bed. Point 3 is the top right of your glass bed. Point 4 is the top left of your glass bed. And then point 5 is going to be the middle. Now I'm just going to go ahead and re-level this. And to level, you're going to do left turn to make the bed go up, and then right turn to make the bed go down. You also want to use a piece of paper instead of the 12-month warranty card. After all leveled, press Auto Home. And as you can see, the ODIN is already pre-installed with a few models. We're just going to go ahead and do the benchy. The benchy turned out very nice. If you look in between the windows, you can tell that there's really minimal stringing. Face turned out very nice. I had a little bit of bubbling on the side. Other than that, it turned out perfect. Loki's mask. This was my first downloaded 3D model. I did have to change a few settings after this print. I had a few problems with the support settings and the air gap settings. And where you see the green is where I had to build my own supports with the 3D pen. After looking at the settings and changing it up a little bit, I managed to get absolutely perfect prints. The layering has been absolutely great, and no issues with my new support settings. Here's a little glimpse of all the models I've made within the 2 weeks of having the ODIN. I highly recommend this printer, especially for beginners and travelers, just because of the fact that it's portable, easy to assemble, and user-friendly. If you're interested in the ODIN F3, please check out the Fokoos website. Buy filament, glass beds, and more. Or just directly purchase through the Amazon website, and every now and then you can spot a deal where you can get $50 off. I mean, look at those stars. 4.5 stars, that's great. You can also join the Fokoos user group. Here you'll find model files uploaded by users, a very awesome support team, and the admin Dora Ding. She is there for you all the way. If you have any questions, feel free to ask her anything. And lastly, there's tons of members here posting about what they've made and their projects that they've done. Alrighty, that's going to end it off for this video today. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And remember, it's party time! P-A-R-T-Y, because I gotta!